Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to take you on a journey to capture the beauty of a sunset using acrylic colors. I promise you it's going to be a simple and inspiring experience. Be sure to stay tuned till the very end. For those curious about the canvas and color, you can find all the information in the video description below. So I have chosen black and brown acrylic colors to create the upper sky, and I am using flat brush to slowly blend these shades. I am introducing a glorious sparkly orange shade to represent the sunset. There is something about the warm, radiant colors of a setting sun that truly captivates the heart. So for some light shade, I am using white with orange. And about this painting, inspired by a beautiful sunset view I once witnessed while visiting a beach. And it was really very beautiful, orange sky and the sparkle waves. It was really beautiful. So I couldn't resist translating that beauty onto my canvas. Now I am using a lovely brown shade for shading, enhancing the contrast in our sunset. To create the division between the sea and the sky, I am reaching for black. So remember, with acrylic colors, a bit of water comes in handy to keep the paintwork fluid. It dries a lot and it's very irritating. There's something soothing about this view, isn't it? Now it's time to bring the sea to life, mirroring the sky with its delightful orange-brown shades. I'm starting with a sunny yellow to lay down the foundation for the lighter shades. Gradually adding richer oranges to paint the sea's gentle waves. So speaking of preferences, are you more of a mountain or beach person? Let me know in the comments. I am always curious about what inspires you. The sun is represented by a cheerful lemon yellow, so I'm using lemon yellow shade. To give the sea that sparkling touch, I am introducing white, making the waves appear more lifelike. It's giving the waves some sparkly touch. In the end, I am adding a few cute little birds returning to their nests as the day is ending. They are all going home. So this is my beautiful acrylic sunset view, and I am absolutely in love with it. It's very sweet and simple, cute little painting. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more artistic adventures. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey.